go to the Magic Kingdom on the day where you think you shouldn't go to the Magic Kingdom. That's what we're telling you to do.
Pretty much.
Let's do it.
So the rules are very simple. We are here in Magic Kingdom, Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party Day.
She hasn't had her coffee yet. Let me explain.
That's a mouthful.
We're here today at the Magic Kingdom on a party day. And the reason we said that's usually a day you don't go to the Magic Kingdom is because on party days, for example, Not So Scary or Very Merry, those party days actually close to the public at 6 p.m. From the rest of the evening all the way until midnight, the park is open for those Not So Scary or Very Merry guests. But we're here today because on those days where the park closes at 6, the entire public, most people, are thinking the same thing, which is don't go to the Magic Kingdom because it closes early.
Yep.
But we're here to tell you there's actually a secret hack to going on those days because so many people are not going that it ends up being kind of empty.
Yeah, so our challenge today is to see how many rides we can accomplish without Genie Plus.
Exactly, and I'm fairly certain we can do quite a few.
How many do you think? What's your number?
Just give or take all of them.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go with 6 because that's my favorite number.
All right, perfect.
Probably more.
So we're gonna start over here at Adventureland, as you can see, Adventureland behind us. And first of all, it's the day after the whole bear event in the Magic Kingdom, so hopefully Adventureland is open, but that's besides the point. The point is, we always start left when going into the Magic Kingdom. That might sound like a simple hack, but there's a reason for it. The reason is early entry actually opens to the right. So if you're using early entry, you go to the right towards Tomorrowland, and they don't even open Frontierland or Adventureland until actual park opening. So it's basically like you get early entry and you get to rope drop Adventureland and Frontierland. So ideally those rides end up being little to no wait at all, but we'll see for ourselves.
We made it over to our first attraction of the day. It is Jungle Cruise. This is a boat tour. Anyone of all ages and heights can go on this attraction, and it is super fun, and it is for those dad-loving jokesters.
Olivia, I will also be your dancing instructor, your science teacher, your snake charmer, and if you don't laugh at the jokes today, your swimming instructor. Normally there's a skipper sleeping right there, but I don't know why he went to town. Guys, my birthday's up there. It's been 25 years, get over it. Over there you got the angry chickens. Aw, look at the zebra. He's just lying there. Oh, wow, he looks dead. Tired. The backside of water!
Wow.
Ride 1 is complete, and it only took us 6 minutes to stand in line.
Yeah, that was a quick one. Granted, again, we literally rope drop Adventureland, walked right in. But I still feel very confident that for this first hour or two, we're going to see a lot of low waits.
I agree. On to the next one. We are going to skip the lovely magic carpets.
Yeah, it's nothing against them. It's just that spinning in a circle repetitively sometimes makes my head spin in a circle.
A little bit. So
But maybe we'll do Dumbo later. Who knows?
Maybe. Let's go see if Pirates is open.
Yeah, let's do it.
This is Jared's favorite attraction. So this is Pirates of the Caribbean. It is another boat ride, and it looks like there's only a 5-minute wait time. This is in any age, any height, so let's go hop on and see Captain Jack Sparrow. Is this your happy place?
Yes, I honestly have completely zoned out everything else in my life.
Okay.
What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone in England! Marvelous, Emily, golden eggs! The key to the treasure room. Easy. Here I be, a-holding the treasure.
Wow, I never knew that. It's a very faint Mickey.
And we we are pretty much done with Adventureland. Look at that. That was real quick. That was a 3-minute wait, folks. So we hit Jungle Cruise with a 5-minute wait, maybe 6 minutes, and then did Pirates with a 3-minute wait. And now we're already exiting Adventureland, as you can see. The sign behind us, and we are entering Frontierland. So there are several attractions over here, and then we make our way over to Liberty Square, and we are cruising. It's not even 10 a.m. The land's opened at 9, so we are doing extremely well so far. We're out in front of Big Thunder Mountain. That is next on our list, and it's only a 10-minute wait. So as you can see, the wait times have been extremely low so far. We're not lying about that, folks. On these party days, the height requirement is, in fact, 40 inches to ride this attraction. So this is a great introductory kiddo sort of roller coaster, and it's also the wildest ride in the wilderness, and we're gonna do it.
So the sign said 10 minutes. It was not 10 minutes. It was a full walk-on. We completely walked onto that ride. It was great, lovely. Love that attraction, especially because it's more of the more thrilling rides here in Magic Kingdom. So I think we're going to continue on and check out Haunted Mansion. Haunted Mansion is a 40-minute wait, so you're looking at the My Disney Experience app, and it looks like over on the Tomorrowland side, that Space Mountain is 10 minutes, and other things like that are really short as well. So we're going to head over to the other side of the park. Brief pause for Stitch. Hey, Stitch! Bye, Stitch. We are walking over towards Space Mountain, and that time has gone up to 20 minutes, which is no problem at all whatsoever. But I do want to note, height requirement is 44 inches. It's fast, it's dark, it's really, really fun, and it kind of feels like a intense chiropractor appointment that you didn't ask for. But we love it anyways. I lost Jared, but he's back now. I cannot film on this one, just so you know. So
I ran into Stitch, and I got distracted.
That's fair. Everybody loves Stitch. He's like a little colt, you know?
We're doing Space Mountain, and we can't film on it, but
yeah, we cannot film, so
if we could, you guys would get a first row view on how many times can Space Mountain crack Jared's back. That was a 16-minute wait, so that went extremely well. We have officially done 4 of the biggest rides in the Magic Kingdom, all before 10:30 a.m. Again, we rope dropped Adventureland at 9 a.m., and it's already 10:30, 4 big attractions done. So far, this Magic Kingdom hack and our game plan is working wonderfully. Let's head over to the next attraction.
Another Tomorrowland attraction is Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. This is one of your family-friendly, any age, any height requirement can enjoy, and it's only about 10 minutes, and basically you're going to battle your partner to see who is the best in the galaxy. I wonder who's going to win.
This is very serious. This is very serious.
Literally can't see you at all, but that's okay.
Get in the zone.
Auto zone. Wow.
She was not prepared to fight the evil emperor.
I was not prepared whatsoever.
Yikes.
We are filling up our water bottles here at Cosmic Rays because we have not done that this morning.
No.
Do better than us. Water is very important. But that was, what, maybe a 10-minute wait over at Buzz. It was great. Jared crushed me, so that's...
Yeah, and
fine.
He tried to sabotage me the whole time, by the way.
I did not.
He kept taking the spinning thing and spinning it the wrong spin way.
Can't prove it.
Whatever. The point is that I won, and she was a planetary pilot. Meanwhile, I was a space ace, according to the charts at the end of that ride.
Well, we did mobile order some food, so we're going to grab that and then hop in another line. For my food of choice, I went over here to Pinocchio Village and grabbed this margarita pizza, which looks delicious. And then Jared was a little bit more practical, and he actually got something that's like handheld.
Yeah, so if you go to Friar's Nook, in the morning now, they have a pretzel bread egg sandwich, and I was just curious at what that meant. So I tried it, and it tastes like an egg sandwich with pretzel bread. It sure does, which is interesting. I don't know what to think yet, to be honest.
While we eat our delicious breakfast / lunch, we are going to hop in Peter Pan's flight. This is an any age, any height, and you take a wondrous excursion. I don't know, take a trail through Neverland with Peter Pan and his friends. We're very excited. It is a 70-minute wait, so we'll see how long it actually is. Found Jared.
The queue is so cute, I will say.
Hello.
I want the bells to come back so we can jingle them.
Yay! Timestamp, 45 minutes.
45, it said 70, that's half if you're doing the math. No, it's not. It's not even half.
No.
Wow.
Come on, everybody, here we go!
Well, let's start off by reverting back and remembering that 45 minutes is technically not half of 70. So I definitely misspoke there, and we're going to move on. We're going to learn from it and go back to math school. But the point is, we are officially on to the Haunted Mansion. So far today, just to recap, after Peter Pan, a beautiful original attraction, one of the most famous and most original attractions that Disney himself helped create, we are on the way to our 7th attraction of the day. We have done 6 major attractions, by the way, 6 pretty big attractions, and it's literally not even noon. So just to give you some perspective on how successful this method is in terms of rope dropping on a party day, and technically we did rope dropping to the left, and you know, I hope you're seeing how successful it is, because this is pretty amazing.
We've made it over here to Haunted Mansion, which is at any age, any height is allowed, and it is only 45 minutes. You just go through the Haunted Mansion like you do in the movie, and it is fabulous. Perfect for this season, but perfect anytime, as this is my favorite ride in Magic Kingdom. The main props about doing the full queue is that you can see all of the full queue benefits. I haven't seen this in so long. Oh, I love it. Good news, it was only, what, 10 minutes? 8 minutes?
It was 8 minutes on the dot for this one, and I'm not going to do any math this time. I messed up last
By
time.
the time we get in, it'll be about 10 minutes, so capping it at 10 minutes when the wait was 45.
It's at 45, so we are crushing it. This means we'll do literally 7 rides by the time it hits noon.
That's amazing.
Pretty incredible.
The room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Well stocked with priceless first editions, and marble busts of the great.
The spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads and...
Mansion was great, much shorter than we thought it was going to be. We walked outside and that line got long.
It did. It did get long, and we must have just timed it absolutely perfectly. Although
Yeah.
I will say, we walked in kind of right around when the parade was going to start, and I'm thinking the parade ended and everybody was
rushed to
like,
the Haunted Mansion. Yeah, that's my guess as well.
So pro tip, time it out like that.
Time it like that. Do it before, not after.
But honestly, today has been extremely successful.
Yeah.
I believe we have made our point. I know we could, and you know what? We are going to do videos where we do every single ride in the Magic Kingdom,
We
so
are.
be prepared for that.
Yes.
But the point of this video was to essentially show you guys that it's absolutely possible to have an extremely successful day, even in this short time window.
Yeah, agreed. I mean, it's 12:30. We've done 7 rides so far, and you have many hours left to go before the park actually closes at 6 p.m. There's shows, there's more rides and attractions and parades and foods and desserts and everything underneath the Disney bubble that you could do.
Absolutely. I mean, we skipped several rides such
Yeah.
as Winnie the Pooh, Little Mermaid,
Yeah.
Dumbo. These were attractions that were all 10 minutes or less.
Yeah.
So if you want to add those to our time, I mean, we had plenty enough time to not just do these major attractions that we've done, but pretty much every single attraction in the park.
Yeah,
So
agreed.
honestly, again, I believe we made our point. I believe this video was super successful, and it honestly went better than I could have hoped.
Yeah, we did great. This is why we suggest coming to the Magic Kingdom on a party day. And if you're a huge go-getter, you can rope drop Magic Kingdom on a party day and do the party on the same day. I've done that. It's hard, but it's possible.
Yeah, if you feel like never sleeping at all.
Which, I mean, you really don't when you're on your Disney vacation, let's just be honest.
Yeah, I mean, just grab a nitro cold brew from Joffrey's and walk 15 miles and stay awake for 16 hours.
And drink water.
Exactly. Don't forget the water part.
Don't forget water.
Very important. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to check out some of our other content, please do head over to the MickeyBlog YouTube channel.
Yeah.
We have lots of content. We have playlists that separate everything into resorts, parks, and other helpful videos like these. We also have Genie videos if you ever need help planning your Disney vacation and you need assistance using Genie. Not to mention, if you ever do need help planning a Disney vacation, go reach out to our friends over at Mickey Travels, where they can help you plan and book your entire Disney vacation at no additional cost. They are completely free to you, Disney vacation planners.
With that said, my name is Miranda.
And I'm Jared.
This is MickeyBlog.
Catch you on the flip-flop.